Arcanum.
Kala mo nag-unbox sila Pokemon cards.
Ganyan na lang isipin natin. Ganda naman ng Pokemon cards niya.
Pink, guys. Guys, pick one.
Which one?
Which color? This
The
one.
light one.
Wait.
Show it to the camera first.
Hindi ko tingin.
Yeah.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Ang pogi nila.
But if this one is also the same,
Feeling ko the same.
I'm so done.
3, 2, 1.
Is it the same?
It's the same! Hiki. Ay. Hising and Hiki.
Like, here guys,
giving.
look. My man.
The PCs are giving. Oh my gosh, same typos. Hindi ata ni random nung seller.
It's your seller naman eh.
Dapat yun mo. It's fine. Hi guys! Okay, Ro, what's untold unboxing? So she got the Blue Moon version. Mine is the Weaver's version. Okay, tara.
Ano to?
Lyrics. The messages nila. It's like a video thing.
My man.
Oh yeah.
Oh! Okay.
Pwede gusto ko.
Groupies! Wait, isa-isa muna. Joel! DJ. Okay, first photo card.
Which one?
Isa muna. Itong blue or yung gray?
Gray?
Gray, okay, gray. Okay.
Please.
3, 2, 1, go! Wait, simple!
Wait! Sino yung na-pull mo na isa?
Oh my gosh! Jakey! Next. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Oh! I got EJ! Guys, sample dun sa first album ko.
Jay!
Ingem. Thank you guys.
Thank you so much.
See you on our next unboxing.
Yeah, for your bias.
I'm gonna use my
Use your nails.
nails. Oh my gosh.
One is... What is this?
Oh wait, this one
The
is
secret something?
it's a letter.
It's a letter?
Yeah, here. You wanna read it?
I will be the one and only man that you can be proud of in this world. Okay. So I have an unboxed album. What kind of magic did you cast on me that makes my heart burn only for you?
Oh.
Like, oh yeah,
Flip. Wait, guys. Oh my gosh. Wait, this is the signed postcard.
Where's the photo book?
Yo, I'm gonna cry.
So scary. Who's your bias? Let's
Bias
see. Where's
is-
your bias?
My bias is this one. Wait, this guy, that guy.
This guy? This guy?
Yeah.
This is
I wanna
for
get
bias.
him. I wanna get him.
Okay, let's manifest.
And this one too. I wanna get this guy.
Yay.
Jay.
Yay.
Okay, guys, let's go. This is the poster.
So teeny tiny.
Yeah. This is the stickers.
So cute. This is the
Yeah,
CD. Enhypen CD.
Enhypen.
Yes, can you guys see? Never mind.
Never mind.
Ring? Wow.
I don't know who made this because like it's a random ring. Like a member made this one. I don't know who made this though. I forgot. Mine, yours, mine. To the postcard. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Yay!
Wait, is this your bias?
No, it's Nikki.
Nikki? Yay! Nicki Minaj? Nicki Minaj. Nicki.
Do this. This is the signed one. Do I do this?
Sign?
I know this guy.
Wait, is this a random sign? Your bias? Your bias?
It's Jay's
Wait.
signature.
This sign?
Yeah. Signature.
No.
It's Jay.
Yay!
Photo card. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Is this your bias?
No, it's Nikki again.
You got Nikki. Nikki love us.
Nikki magnet. I'm a
Yeah.
Nikki magnet, y'all.
Yeah,
I can't escape him.
Yeah.
Okay, next, last one.
Last one.
3, 2, 1.
Is your bias? Is this your bias?
Yay!
She got him. Okay, guys.
Bro, I pulled him.
Yay! You did it.
I did it. Yay!
Yay!
谢谢，
谢谢。
谢谢你。
再见。
再见。
Nothing inside.
Yeah, nothing.
We're done.
We're
7
done.
minutes, 40.
7 minutes. Hey guys, today I'm gonna do a Desire Unleashed make a version. So I got the U version last time, and I pulled Hisung and Nikki, and now I'm gonna be unboxing the make version. Sorry, I have on my background. Just don't mind that, y'all. But anyways, my birthday today. It's June 30th. It's 10:59 though, so it's like 1 hour till my birthday's done. But yeah, I'm gonna unlock this one. Hopefully my birthday, guys, the bias is gonna come home. But yeah, this is the free key version. Bro, it just dropped. I am torn by the desire to make you a vampire. Then the CD, we got the CD here. Let's go to the poster. Yeah, poster. Oh, oh, they have this one. Yo, this is nice. I thought it's gonna be like the same, the knife one. Like, yeah. Let's open this one. This one is where everything is. Where's the photo cards? This one is the OT7 photos. I love this one. I'm gonna put this on the back of my phone. And we have these, guys. Wait, like the mini photos, concept photos. I don't know whose this is. Wait, yeah, that one. This one is Hisung's. This one is Jay. This one is Jakey. This one, I think this one is Songhun. This one is Sonu. And then this one is Nikki. So it's either si Jongwon or yes. Ay, si Jongwon yun. Si Jongwon ito. The QR code and then the stickers. We got the stickers. Desire Unleash. Let's go to the photo cards. I want to open the black one first. Okay, let's do the black one. 3, 2, 1. I got Jake! OMG! Finally, I pulled Jake this era. 8. Yeah, I got Jake. So I pulled Songhun and Jongwon on the Weavers first. Then on U version, I got Hisung and Nikki. So who's the next one? Who's gonna be with Jake? 3, 2, 1. Guys, I got Specs. Who got Specs? Hoon, Jake Hoon. I believe I am Songhun magnet this era. Thank you guys for watching my video. Oh, Nikki. Lyric. $1. Sticker. More sticker. Buy it to Wala yung postcard ko. OT7. Yeah, this cartoon. I have the poster. Ay, di photobook to. Wait lang. Sino to? Bro, what?
She's 90.
Chad,
Maybe she should lose.